I would actually like more wasabi.
Like more wasabi?
I would like more wasabi.
Yo, this is Chris from Beers in Japan. I'm standing here with my buddy Peter, and we're about to try something very unusual. I've never seen this. Have you ever seen this before?
Never.
Wasabi burger. So it's a burger with wasabi in it. My buddy Peter, I hate wasabi. Even though I've lived in Japan for 25 years, I just despise it. So I wrote my buddy Peter in. Peter runs the best tour company in all of Kyoto, Kyoto Bike Tour. Tell them a little bit about your tours.
Yeah, we're basically a bike tour business, and we run 3 tours throughout the city and take people on bicycles to all the famous spots. So if you want to see Kyoto in a day and see everything that you need to see, take a look at our tours.
I've been on a couple of the tours, and I can highly recommend. It's a lot of fun. Now let's go inside and enjoy wasabi. Well, he's gonna enjoy the wasabi. I'm not gonna try that disgusting stuff. Wasabi burger あったんですよね。All right, I didn't even know this is here. We didn't come even to shoot this video, the chocolate burger, but apparently they have a chocolate burger as well. So we're gonna get the chocolate burger and the wasabi burger. じゃあ1個ずつ。You want a set? Set って何入ってるんですか? So,
I don't need any fries.
じゃあ単品、2つ単品。We're not gonna get the set. We're just gonna get the regular. Yeah. So we're gonna wasabi burger, wasabi burger to chocolate burger. Unbelievable chocolate burger. Holy shit! I didn't even come here for that. Hi. Looks like we can get the chocolate burger. This is gonna be unique, interesting.
Here it is. This is the wasabi burger. You can see the wasabi sauce. All right.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it good?
There you go. I think it's gonna be delicious. That's very tasty, actually.
Is it?
Yeah, very nice.
I gotta let you guys know a secret. One reason why I wrote Peter into doing this video is even though I lived in Japan 25 years, I actually cannot stand wasabi.
I love it.
So hence
very
my
good.
friend is doing this.
I would actually like more wasabi.
Like more wasabi.
I would like more wasabi. They're very good, very tasty.
Okay, so we got, I guess, chocolate barbecue sauce burger. That really like chocolate to you? I think they said it was in the sauce.
It's in the sauce.
Wow. The chocolate really makes the barbecue like sweet. It tastes really good.
Good? Oh, yeah.
This is tasty. This is Chris from Beers in Japan, and if you're loving this channel, please subscribe and be sure to like this video because it really helps me out a lot. Cheers, my friends. See you next one.